welcome back to another video. So today will be not really an unboxing because I already took it out of the box, but today's gonna be like a showcase review and like putting accessories on my new Coach purse. I got the Nolita 19 and I'm so excited to share it with you. But before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe if you like content like this, and be sure to follow my Instagram and my Pinterest, which will be linked in the description. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is the purse. This is my Nolita 19. And a lot of the information I'll put on the screen so I can get like the exact color and everything. But I'm like fairly certain that this is like probably blush or something. But this is the purse, and you can see the design is like the C's all around, but it's like the embossed C's. So they're like kind of puffy. That is super, super pretty. Why is it focusing on the fan? So this is the front. And you will have the Coach logo in silver. This is a silver hardware purse. And you'll have the tag here that says Coach. And the back is just plain. And then the zipper, it also says Coach on the zipper. It says Coach New York. So this is super pretty. I love this color, and me and my mom and my sister really like the Coach bags that have the embossed C's on it. Like the terry. We really want the terry. This my mom got for me when it was on sale. I want to say this was maybe between $65 and $80, but this is super, super pretty. So we open it and there's still stuffing inside. So I'm going to take all of that out. See these? Don't eat these. It looks yummy. I want to, but I won't. So it does come with a few tags on the inside. This does say the color. So this is silver, the hardware, and blush. On the inside, this is what it looks like. It has little like card holder pockets on one side, and the rest is just like free space. It's a small bag, right? You really can't fit all that much in an Nolita bag, which is why a lot of people use it as just a wristlet or even just like a catch-all to put in their bigger bags. So to make it a wristlet, you can just take this part off and then attach it to the other side. See? So that's also an idea. I don't know, I might do this, maybe, instead of just wearing it on your shoulder. But I do have some charms for it, the extenders, so I don't know, we'll have to see. But yeah, that is the purse as it comes. So now, we're not gonna pack it with stuff, not until my new card case comes here. But for now, we will be accessorizing it. So I'm gonna flip the camera over, and I think I'm gonna show like probably 3 different ways that I might accessorize it. And spoiler, this is pointless because I know which one I'm gonna choose because I've already planned it out in my mind which one I'm gonna choose. But anyway, I'm not wasting your time. Trust me, we're gonna do 3 different ways and then we're gonna choose which one. So here is the purse up close. Don't mind the marks on my desk. It's from my tripod for my camera. I have to wipe my desk. You don't care about it, it's fine. I'm gonna show you, I have some charms here. So let's just start with the first idea. So this first idea is just using 2 charms, which is like pathetic. You need to have like 5 or more. First, I have this. Don't mind my nail either. Look, I live in just, it's disgusting here, okay? So it's like things happen. My nail has split in half. I will replace it, it's fine. I have this extender with the bows. I think this is super, super cute, and I will keep this on because this just makes the strap longer. And if you put the purse on your shoulder, it will make it less awkward. So here's what it looks like with the extender on. You can see that did make a difference. So it did make it longer. I just think it's cuter this way anyway. So that is the first. I'm really trying to do something. You guys, I'm sorry, my dad came in. Okay, so because this one is like fairly simple, this idea one, I just have one other charm. It is this Coach Cherry. It's not a real Coach Cherry though. This came from Amazon. And you know the Coach Cherry, like on the main website, it's like $95. And it's so sad because Coach charms are so expensive. Like there's the bow I want and it's silver and pink. It would be perfect for this Nolita. That's $95. And you know, I'm waiting for a sale. Because it's like, even if I was like super rich, $95 is just a lot for a purse charm. You know what I mean? So yeah, I got this from Amazon. It comes in a lot of different colors. I'll try and link all of these in the description. We're gonna see what this looks like. So what side should I put it on? Should I put it on this side or this side? Let me try the other side first. So this is what it looks like on the other side. Let me adjust it. Honestly, I think the cherry is cute. Let me zip this too. My only problem is the fact that the cherry is just like, I don't know. Why do I feel like the colors just don't look good together? I don't know. You guys can tell me what you think. I don't know. I don't think I'm feeling this one. The extender is cute, but I don't know how I feel about the cherry. So version number 2 is another simple one. It's just one other charm. This is, and I know this is like, wow, that's a big charm to put on this little purse. Shut up. Shut up. This is My Sweet Piano. That's her name. And I got this plushy keychain from Amazon. And of course, you can get My Melody, Cinnamon Roll, Hello Kitty, etc, etc. Again, first issue is the shades of pink don't match. We're gonna just try anyway. I don't know. I think, no. The answer is no. It's like, I feel like this is better than before. I don't know, it might be worse than before. I think this might be worse. So let me show you the final variation. But yeah, the colors of pink don't match. This might look better on one of my juicy purses. So yeah, we're not gonna do this one. So let's get the final variation. Okay, so this last one involves 5 other charms. So let's start with this one. This one came from Shein. It used to have a rabbit on it, but my mom cut it off because the rabbit was dirty. So we're gonna start like layering these charms. We're gonna put this one on this side. Now see, by itself, this is something, but it's not enough. This is from Amazon and it came in a pack of 3 or 2 other ones. And so I'm gonna put this also on this side. Okay, like that's okay, right? Like we're liking this? Okay. And now, because we're not done, this is the other one that also came in the pack. See, I like the colors on these. Like I feel like, because this is like almost kind of see-through, I feel like it matches. So we're gonna put this one on this side. And then the last one, this one has the butterflies. And we're also going to put this one on that side. So this is what it's looking like. I honestly think this is the best thing ever. It makes sound. It might be a little bit annoying, but like, this is cute. So we could leave it like this, or let's just, okay, hear me out, because I know you just left, right? You just left, but like, hear me out. This is Megumi, he's my son. What if we put him as well? What if we put him as well? Because we don't have to, because I can use him on a backpack or something. But like, you know, like we could put him there or there, you know. Let's just see. Let's just see. All right, let me, because I had to stand up so you can see. It makes a lot of noise. but this is what it looks like. Like, this is cute though, right? Like, this is Pinterest worthy. I could put this on Pinterest. And you have him on the side. Like, this is something. This is something. On the shoulder, and I'm wearing gold, so it'll look probably weird, but you put it on the shoulder. And like, you could see him here. I think this works. The only problem is that it makes a lot of noise. So it's like, if you're in the doctor's office, you're gonna just hear this. That's, you know, that's like the only problem. But I think this is really cute. I did my big one. I actually did my big one. So yeah, guys, that's it. I have finished my purse. Like, come on. This is the best ever. And it's about to rain, so the lighting has gotten a bit bad. So I'm gonna stop now. But this is super cute. Like, you can't tell me this is not cute. This is cute. I think this is cute. I don't know, like, he's so cute there. I think this is a look. This is a look. But if you like videos like this and you want to see more purse stuff, because I'm planning to do like every week what's in my purse, you know, because like I'm gonna switch out my purse every week. That's the plan. But yeah, that's it. I won't hold you any longer. Make sure to like and subscribe, and again, follow my Pinterest and Instagram. I will not stop telling you to do it. I won't stop telling you until you do it. So yeah, I'm actually done this time. So follow my Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video.